Hello class, welcome back, and we're on module 16, and so I have some, good news for you. What I'm going to do is have no extra work for you to do this week, aside from your final project. So you're going to have a module 16 quiz, which looks at war and terrorism. I'm not going to have any extra material for this, um, just because of where we are with time. Um, but um, I'm expecting you to read the chapter yourself and go ahead and take care of that quiz. And there'll be no discussion with this as well. There'll be a Module 16 quiz. I'll give you to the end of finals week to complete that. And then, of course, your final project, I'd like to see that turned in. So if you could use the next couple of days to get that done, what I'll do is we'll use that as our wrap up for next week to do a week-long discussion with on your final project, and that will be your final experience in this class. And so, as you look at our Module 16 webpage or our assignment sheet, we're going to focus on war and terrorism, which is a very pressing area, but due to time and how things worked out, we're not going to really be able to spend much time with this. And so I'm sure to your relief, we can wrap the book up. So you're going to read the text and have no extra material to complete, but make sure you finish that final project. And of course, you're going to be responding to your classmates' posts on Module 14. So this is the last time I'll be commenting on regular classmate posts. Next week we'll have things a little different. And so these assignments are due the 5th, so next Tuesday, with the exception of the quiz. So you have one assignment basically due, and that's to do your discussions. The quiz, you're going to have a little extra time to take care of, and make sure you get the final project done this week. I'd like to see them by Friday. But if you have any questions, go ahead and get back to me. So there shouldn't be much to really add here. I do really regret that we couldn't finish the semester off. We were starting to have some pretty good discussions in class, and I was really excited about having a really small class for this social problems offering. This never happens. Usually we have 30 students in here, and we can't get the dynamic discussions going on. So we were on the verge of having something nice built, and everything changed, and so we're just making the best of it here. But I do want to thank you for all the work. So those of you who hung in there and actually stuck it out through our transition and getting through these difficult, this weird change of moving from a face-to-face class with, I promised you dynamic discussions, and I promised you having a seminar format, and to move from that to an online setting, I know was disappointing for me, and I'm sure for you as well. But I do want to thank you for your work that you've put in. Like I said, those of you who continue to stick with this. So get a hold of me if any questions. If not, I will make a new video this weekend. You'll probably see it on Sunday. But I will have an email go out to you and try to give you time to work through our little final wrap up. So thank you so much.